In the ancient 8th century, Viking emblems depict warriors wearing wolf skins to disguise and defeat the ferocious werewolf. In highly superstitious medieval Europe, during the 13th through 15th centuries, lycanthropes prevailed in the culture. Lycanthropes stemming from Greek fables where the god Zeus punished and turned King Lycan into a man-wolf. And who doesn't know the 16th century's very popular French girl, Little Red Riding Hood?
Oh! Who's that I see walking in these woods? Why, it's Little Red Riding Hood. Hey there, Little Red Riding Hood. You sure are looking good. You're everything a big bad wolf could want.
Charles Perrault is the originator of the story, although the Brothers Grimm borrowed version is more widely known. Even today, one of society's most popular creatures is Wolverine. And of course, honorable mentions to all cinematic classic creatures. Mind you, the infamous witch trials of the 16th century wasn't the only crime. The village citizenry could put claim against you, being charged, condemned for casting spells, sorcery, black magic, and yes, turning into a wolf. According to historians, this half-man, half-beast seems to have its roots developing from rabies attacks from various animals, and of course, with limited knowledge, imaginations ran wild. There's this old Scottish prayer from ghoulies and ghosties and long-legged beasties. May the good Lord deliver us. That goes for you too, Lon Chaney.
In a half an hour, the moon will rise and I'll turn into a wolf.
You and 20 million other guys.
Listen.